Children, this is continuation of the first video and we were on the third point, third characteristic of molecules, that molecules of matter are in constant random motion as they possess kinetic energy. That means molecules of matter are never at rest, they are constantly moving. Next is molecules of matter attract each other. They hold each other together with a force called intermolecular force or interparticular force. To prove that molecules are having these characteristics, we have some activities. Let's check first activity. Activity 1 says molecule of matter are very small. For this, we have to take few crystals of potassium permanganate and dissolve it in 100 ml of water. Now take 10 ml of this solution and add it to 90 ml of clear water in another beaker. Now again we are having total 100 ml of solution. Now from this solution, take 10 ml of solution and add it to 90 ml of water in another beaker. Now as you can see in the diagram, we can see first beaker is having dark pink color. Next beaker is also having pink color. Third beaker is having light pink color, and this pink color gradually fades away as we repeat the process. That means few crystals of potassium permanganate can color a large volume of water. If few crystals of potassium permanganate color a large volume of water, that means that few crystals are made up of so many particles, are made up of million of tiny particles. On dividing them, each time we are getting pink colored solution, which proves molecules of matter are very tiny. Second activity shows that molecule of matter have spaces between them. To prove that, we have to take a beaker, fill it with water and dissolve a spoon of salt in it. Now you have to see the change in level of water. Fill, you will observe there is no change in water level after the dissolution of salt in water, and the reason being salt take the spaces which are available in water molecules. Those spaces are taken by salt particles. Therefore, there is no rise in level of water. Next activity. Now we have activity 3. It's just a figure that explains everything, that molecules of matter are in constant random motion. You all have experienced this when any incense stick is burning in a room. The fumes of incense stick spreads everywhere inside the room in a very less time. Now why it is spreading all over the room? Because molecules of matter, the particles of that matter is in constant random motion. We can take the example of Perfume also, spray a perfume in a corner of a room, you will find that the smell of perfume spreads everywhere because particles of matter are in motion, and due to their motion they spread everywhere. Now this process is also called diffusion, right?